Go girl. Oh, they see. Do the whole top of it, Tracy.
Go girl. See that drip? That's a drip.
This is water coming in from my door, installed by Lowe's. It's coming in from the top.
And we did not have that problem.
This is
before.
not, we did not have this problem before the installation of the door.
Show the bottle.
Here it is along the window, falling down, my very expensive door. And here it is, the puddle of water.
Do the whole bottle.
Look at all that water on the hinge. Water.
And it was not like that before. We never had a problem like this.
Water.